Previously, we had Paul from Woodmill come in to see what he could do to bring our old wooden floors back to life. Well, after some expert sanding and a stunning lime wash finish, the results are spectacular. Now let's just talk about this floor for a sec, shall we? If you'll remember, and I'm sure you will, these floorboards were mismatched, but they were in really good condition. So the homeowner decided, instead of laying down a whole new floor just to have symmetry, that they were going to refurbish and rejuvenate their current floors. And as you can see, have a look around. What an incredible difference it's made. Instead of going for a darker colour, the homeowner has gone for a light lime wash. Now the beauty of a lime wash such as this one is you're still getting the hard-wearing nature of the treatment on the boards, but it's also light enough so you can still see the grain and the knots in the timber. Now, all of a sudden, you have a uniform look. All of the mismatching boards are now similar colours and in that tone. And what I really love about this floor is it just lifts the whole area. It's not competing with any of the other aesthetics in the kitchen. And it makes the hero, the cabinetry, and this beautiful stone bench top. So it's win-win. Another great feature about this floor is that it's been coated in an environmentally friendly satin water-based urethane finish, which basically means it's going to be able to withstand all of the traffic that this area is going to have. Not to mention, it's going to last forever.